Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Airin Kamila binti Airin Saifan. I am 11 years old. My father's name is Airin. He is an engineer, and my mother's name is Zahra. She is a teacher. My favorite color is white. I like to eat potatoes and drink tea. My best friends' names are Aisha and Anisha. I like to watch The Loud House. My hobby is journaling on my book. I am happiest when I get to eat delicious food and when I get to travel. When I grow up, I want to be a police or a businesswoman. I love my parents because they take care of me since I was a baby. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Airin and I'm about to tell a story about the Little Mermaid. Deep in the sea is the palace of the merkin. He lives with his 6 lovely daughters and their grandmother. The youngest mermaid, the Little Mermaid, is always asking about things above the sea. Her grandmother says, "You can go up there when you are 15. At last, the day comes when the Little Mermaid can swim up there. One day, she sees a big ship. She hears music and singing coming from it. She goes nearer and sees a young prince enjoying himself with his people. They are celebrating his birthday. Suddenly, the wind becomes very strong and the waves grow higher and higher. The ship rolls about in the rough waters. Then it turns over. The Little Mermaid looks for the prince. It is very dark. At last, she sees him. He is too tired to swim anymore. The Little Mermaid pulls the prince to the seashore not far away. She waits till morning. Some people start coming down the place. She quickly swims out to sea. She is sad because the prince does not know anything about her. Day after day, the Little Mermaid goes up to the seashore to look for the prince. She does not see him at all. She is very sad. She says to her grandmother, I wish I could be a human being and meet the prince." Her grandmother says, "Only the sea witch can help her." The Little Mermaid goes to the sea witch. She agrees to give up her sweet voice in exchange for human legs. The sea witch says, "If Prince does not fall in love with you, you will change into foam." The Little Mermaid takes the magic drink. She falls asleep and wakes up at the beach with human legs. The prince sees the Little Mermaid. He tells her she can stay at the palace during her stay. During her stay, she is sad to hear that the prince will be marrying a princess from another country. The night before the wedding, her sister gave her a knife. If she kills the prince, she can become a mermaid again. The Little Mermaid takes the knife to the prince's bedroom. She loves him very much. She knows she cannot kill him. Then she jumps into the sea, changes into foam. The end. Thank you.